Hello everyone. Today, I invite everyone to explore Kao Market, a unique market in the Highlands held every Saturday morning. Coming to Kao, visitors can not only admire the majestic mountain scenery, but also immerse themselves in the bustling, colorful cultural atmosphere of buying and selling. The market is divided into many separate areas, each with its own unique characteristics. Chicken and duck area, where healthy, smooth, feathered, crowing native chickens are sold and attract many buyers. Pig area, especially armpit pigs, famous for their delicious taste, raised naturally by local people. Buffalo and cow area, this is the highlight of the market, with hundreds of buffaloes led to trade, creating an extremely vibrant scene. Bird area, where many rare wild birds and ornamental birds gather, attracting lovers of elegant hobbies. Dog selling area, a variety of native dog breeds, from the brave Mongkok dog to the breeds raised to guard houses and fields. Food court, the space is fragrant with hot thanko, Highland pho, fragrant corn wine, and many other specialties that visitors find hard to resist. Each area contains its own culture, reflecting the life, customs, and activities of the people here. Come with me to walk around the market, explore every corner, and fully feel the rustic yet vibrant beauty of Kao Market. Green chili pepper, $0.6, 100 dois. Thai nong pear, 1,151 kilsa.
Wheat cotton broom, 2 low 1 piece.
Wild strawberries, $3, 1 kilo. Melon, $0.2, 1 kilo.
Ai, bánh mì bánh ngọt nào. Bánh mì nhân dừa làm ruột thơm mơ đây.
When talking about Highland markets, we cannot help but mention the 7-color sticky rice dish, a typical traditional dish bearing the cultural imprint of the Tay and Nung ethnic groups. At Sin Cheng Market, the 7-color sticky rice is displayed prominently with a colorful palette: red, purple, yellow, blue, white. Each color is dyed from forest leaves or natural ingredients, completely chemical-free, both beautiful and safe. The fragrant, shiny, and fragrant sticky rice grains make anyone passing by stop. The locals believe that 7-color sticky rice not only symbolizes abundance and luck, but also represents solidarity and belief in a bountiful.
có một cái hạ ít thì可以做多啊。
có chú á.
做包嘛，这个别说呢，说哪里做多安弄的。
感觉哎，对了，你弟弟弄哈，么。
Bakhar Dog Market, an indispensable part of the Sunday market in Bakhar, Lao Cai, stands out with its area for buying and selling local dogs, attracting hundreds of people and being an attractive destination for pet lovers. Here is a detailed description: the charm of Bakhar Dog Market, a friendly and bustling market. Every Sunday morning, people from the Hmong, Kai Biai, Dao, and Fular ethnic groups bring their dogs, from a few to dozens, to sell right at the livestock market. This area is considered the largest dog trading session in the North. Hundreds of individuals of all types and sizes, from Vietnamese dogs, Hmong cock dogs, to Bakhar dogs, one of the 4 great national dogs of Vietnam, are all present. Many dogs have thick, curly fur with diverse colors: yellow, White, black, brindle, mouse. Dog prices range from $12 to $40, with some cases going up to several hundred USD for rare breeds. Live streaming dog sales is becoming a trend. Market owners will sell online and deliver nationwide, with an income of around 100,000 to 200,000 VND. 408 per live stream transaction. Bakhar dog breed, Vietnam's national dog. Medium size, strong, 50 tons, feet 8mm tall, 18 to 28 key in weight, with a double coat adapted to cold, loyal, intelligent, good protector, originally raised by the Hmong people for hunting and guarding the house. Red poodle appearance. The red poodle has a long, thick and fluffy coat, which helps them withstand the cold very well in the Highlands. Outstanding coat color, dark red or fire red, sometimes with white spots on the chest or legs. The tail is thick, fluffy, curved over the back, looking very majestic and impressive. Black chicken, a king's specialty. Black chicken, also known as black chicken, black Hmong chicken, has a small body, black feathers and skin, firm, sweet, and nutritious meat. Bakhar people often boil black chicken to preserve its natural flavor or grill it over hot coals for a crispy skin and soft, fragrant meat inside. The boiled black chicken is dipped in chamchio salt mixed with chili, mak ken leaves, lemongrass, and chopped lemon leaves, bringing a spicy, salty, and aromatic flavor unique to the Highlands. Not only delicious, black chicken is also considered a health-enhancing dish, valued by local people. Black pork, rich mountain flavor. Black pigs, armpit pigs, are a native breed of pig, often raised freely in the forest, eating wild vegetables and fruits, with firm, naturally sweet meat. At the market, black pork is processed into many dishes, boiled, steamed, grilled, or stir-fried. The most popular is boiled pork with salt, pepper, lemon or chamchio, or grilled whole pieces with crispy skin and fragrant fat that is not greasy. Black pork is always on the list of must-try dishes when visiting Bakhar Market.
Em gửi tiền ship cái này thì yêu quan thêm thì em gửi thêm.
Cảm ơn. Nào bây giờ. vẫn còn bàn nữa. Bây giờ cháu ăn giải cái khăn là được. Thở nó
bao tiền?
Xã Simacai, hồ sơ gồm đăng ký kinh doanh, thời gian đăng ký, giờ hành chính.
Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.